saying hi there?
Hi. Hi.
What do you want? Walk? Say walk. You don't like that grass, do you? Aw. There you go. You just won't quite do it. Well, I know it's hard to walk in that, crawl in that dress, isn't it? You should try stand up. You stand up? There you go. That's much better. Can you dance? Oh, yeah, okay. Can you dance?